Alright, guys, when I made that smoke detector video, I took it apart to harvest a special ore. You cannot tell this is water. Why is there a bag of water? I'm about to show you. Okay. This is Amercium 241. It is radioactive. This is the bit that is radioactive. Right here. Focus. Now, in the middle of that, in the middle of the thing, it may look like it's melted plastic around, because it is. I couldn't take the melted plastic off. But yeah, in the middle of that is the Amercium. And right now, it is radioactive. So maybe, let's see if I can get some special effects on the camera. Maybe some white dots. Guys, that static is just... Oh, there we go. We got some white spots, guys. This is scary, but amazing. Guys, those white spots is the radiation. Yes, it's amazing, but scary. Wow. Now that was the flash. The white dots you are seeing right now is radiation. Radiation in the form of alpha and gamma rays. Now the alpha rays is not what's dangerous. It's the gamma rays. If alpha rays were as strong as gamma rays, I wouldn't be alive right now. Because see, alpha waves are the most powerful kind of radiation, except they can't penetrate your skin because they're just too slow and heavy. But if they were as powerful as gamma rays, I'd be dead. But thanks to my phone, it is shielding me from the gamma radiation. You can see the white dots are starting to intensify. But yeah, the white dots just... Oh, it's because I'm... Now, if you zoom in all the way, that's when it gets real, staticky. Now, just keep in mind, this is radiation. This is radiation. This is scary, but nice. Now here it is when it's not black. As you can see, static interference. And again, that's static. Now let me just zoom in all the way and put it directly on the camera if I can. Oh. Poor finger. Okay, now the Amercium is directly on the camera. Okay, now that was 10 zoom. Now this is just 1. It appears the white dots are not really visible without any zoom. Now this is all the way, right? Put it on the camera. The Amercium piece. It's static. A lot of it. Now see, like, this is on the Amercium, right? I was on the piece of Amercium. Now let's put it on the covers, right? And then zoom in all the way. Well, that's not good at all. Hang on. Let's see here. Let's just put it on my floor and zoom in. Nope, that's the same. Is my camera ready? Here, let's put it on this beam of metal. Okay. Okay, so, well, my fault. I know there's a specs. Is it upside down? No, the Amercium piece is not upside down. There goes the static. Just barely. Yeah, Alright. Oh, okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. It's not zoomed, it's at 1x. It's beautiful, but yet terrifying. Well, perhaps this Amercium-241 is mainly alpha particles. Well, that's the end of this video. This is Amercium from a smoke detector. There's the static again. It's interfering with the camera. Alright. Okay, focus on the Amercium. Thank you. Almost. There we go. Yeah, that piece in the middle is Amercium. It's 0.2 micrograms. Alright, but that's why it was in the water. Just to prevent the radiation from leaking out. Alright, that's the end of the video. Yeah, that's when I took apart the smoke detector. That's how I made that smoke detector video. And this is Amercium 241. So there you go.